when you move to Ghana as a foreigner, how do you actually make money? This is something I get a lot, or this is a question I get a lot from my viewers or from people that intend to move to Ghana, or some people that are already currently living in Ghana that did not plan before they came to Ghana, right? So how you make money is very, very essential. Whether in Ghana or in any other country, you need to know if you can be able to make money in that country. Now, depending on the way you move to the country is going to actually determine if you will make money while in the country, or how you make money while in the country. And that is something I want to talk about in this video today. So hello you guys and welcome. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. On here I teach you everything about relocating to Ghana, how you can be able to work, live, and do your business in Ghana peacefully. If this is something that you love to listen to almost all the time, then go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and also subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to let me know your thoughts about this video in the comments when you are done watching this video. So how do you survive, or how do you make money in Ghana as a foreigner? This is a question I get a lot. Now, when it comes to making money in Ghana as a foreigner, there are two legal ways that I know that most foreigners use to make money, right? It may not be the fastest way, but they are the most legit way that a lot of foreigners use to make money in this time, or in this era rather, or in Ghana. And it is either making money online or starting a business. Now, I'm going to actually explain it very well. When it comes to making money online, there are different ways to make money online in Ghana. You can talk about content creation, you can talk about remote worker, you can talk about selling stuffs online, and all of those good stuff. So as a foreigner, you need to know if you have the strength for that. You need to know what you can do online to actually make money. Some people come here as a foreigner when they realize they cannot get maybe a job, because that is very, very difficult as a foreigner to get, because jobs right here are limited, and even if you get to get one, probably through someone connecting you or stuff, paperwork is actually involved, and a lot of people don't have that time to do paperwork, or they don't want to rather do paperwork. So some of the times, majority of them rely on making money online, right, while they are here in Ghana. And some of those ways is as a remote worker. You can work for companies abroad while you are here in Ghana. You can also sell stuff online while you are here in Ghana and still make money online. Or you can go into content creation, talk about stuff that are happening in your environment while you are living in Ghana. Maybe things, it might not be things that are happening in Ghana, or things that are happening in your locality, to be precise. It may not just be those things. You can talk about anything, right? That is what I love about content creation. You can talk about, maybe teach people what you already know. If it is like a job, or like a skill, like a knowledge that you already know, you can actually teach it online and still make money. Then you can actually do surveys online and still make money. There are companies that pay people for doing surveys, and then they make money. You can get jobs from foreign countries, and make money while you are here working online in Ghana. So that is one way that a lot of foreigners are actually cashing out big time here in Ghana. If you are somebody that is stuck, you don't know what to do, you are a foreigner, you don't know how to make money, then you want to look into how to make money via the online route. And of course, I can teach you that for a fee. All you need to do is send an email, and my email is going to be in the description box. The second way a lot of foreigners make money right here in Ghana is by setting up a small business, or setting up a business. Depending on your capacity, depending on the money you have to spend, or your startup capital rather, you can determine the kind of business you want to set up. Because of course, right here in Ghana, there are principles to starting business here, especially as a foreigner. There are documents you will need, there are a certain amount of capital that you will need. I talked about that extensively in a video I'm going to be linking right here, or I'm going to leave the link to that video in my description box, where I've talked about how you can actually start a business as a foreigner living in Ghana, right? And all of the things that you need, and some of the criteria that the government has actually mandated for those starting a business as a foreigner to do well they are here in Ghana doing the business. So these two ways are the ways that foreigners actually make money right here in Ghana. And trust me, if you're somebody that is dedicated, you're somebody that have broad knowledge about what you are doing, if you're somebody that really have passion for what you are doing when it comes to making money here in Ghana, it is not difficult to make money in Ghana. Like, it is not difficult. It's just that a lot of people want shortcuts, a lot of people want to bypass the settings or the legitimate way of making money, and that is what makes them end up, at rock bottom, or end up not able to do the business. But in Ghana, it is very, very lucrative if you want to do business, or if you want to run an online business, because trust me, the society or the community or the system is built in such a way that nobody bothers you when you are doing something legitimate, right? Legal or something legal. Nobody bothers you when you are doing something legal. It is when you are doing something that is not appropriate, right? That is when you see maybe the government, or you see some citizens bothering you and all of that. And of course, you are not supposed to be doing something that is not legal in a country that is not yours. Okay, so these are the two ways that a lot of foreigners are actually cashing out when it comes to making money in Ghana. And if you like to start, of course, you can go first by thinking of what you think you can do, because your strength is where you should focus on, so that you don't end up giving up halfway, or you don't end up not able to make it. I hope this video has actually helped you. If it has, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this one, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.